Hello and welcome back to Muslim Convert Learning Arabic. As I was reading further in my book, I came across symbols like this. These are two fathas on top of letters. And then it brought me to the word Tanween. As I was reading, I found that these two fathas on top of a letter are called Fathatain. These two. And they make an sound. So you find that, for example, on ba, that's a ba, it's got the dot at the bottom and it's got an alif attached to it. It becomes ban, dan, tan, than, jan. So the Fathatain gives the letter an sound. And as usual, I would go back to my Quran and then look for examples in the Quran of Fathatain. And you notice that there are quite a few, even like for example this one here, Fathatain, and you know that this letter will have an sound, and it will be an sound wherever you find it in the Quran or any other book. Let me see if I can find another example here on this page. There's one there, and that's a qa becomes qan. Yeah, ha, han. So there are quite a few examples in the Quran, and this is just one page. I'm sure it will be the same throughout. And then I go back to this book and I flip the page, and there are examples of words with Fathatain. These are all examples to help with pronunciation. So it's a good exercise to be reading and putting together previous letters and the symbols to be able to start reading. Like daraja, darajatan, and many more examples in the book. Up to there. All these are Fathatain books. All the way up to here. So it's nice to do these exercises. It helps you recognize letters and start to read. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.